In this tutorial, we will see that how can fix Steam no connection error in just few easy steps. So let's dive right in. So for the first step, you have to open your Wi-Fi, click on this manage Wi-Fi connections, and you have to make sure your internet is working properly. You can also try opening a web page or running a speed test to confirm. You can simply open the web browser and simply search for internet speed test. Open the first one, click on this go, and from here you can get your downloaded and uploaded speed. It should be good. This was the first step. If you are having issues, you can simply restart your router. For the second step, you can simply restart Steam and your PC. Close it from here and then open it again from here. For the third step, you have to run Steam as an administrator. This can help fix permission issues that might be blocking the connection. To do so, click on this search and from this Steam, right click on that and run as administrator. For the fourth step, you can check Steam server status. Sometimes the problem is on Steam's end. You can go to website like Steam status to check if the servers are down or in maintenance. Here you will find your region and you can filter out your country from here. For the last step, you can simply update or reinstall Steam. Click on this search and search for Steam and right click on that and simply uninstall from here. After installation, you can install this again from store.steam.power.com. You can simply install it again from here. So by following these steps, you should be able to fix no connection error and get back to your games. So that's how you can fix Steam no connection error in just few easy steps.